Here's a quick update regarding Shreyas Iyer's injury. We have heard from the BCCI now that he has been admitted to the ICU and is being monitored for the rib injury that he sustained during the third ODI between India and Australia 2 days ago. Well, what happened? Shreyas was running to take a catch of Alex Perry. As soon as he took the catch, he had a drop, and during the drop, it seemed that the ball got stuck to his rib cage. As a result, he sustained an impact injury to his lower rib cage, and what we understand from our sources is that 3 of his ribs are broken. There was an injury due to laceration, and that also impacted his spleen. He was released from the hospital a day after he was admitted, but once again he was readmitted because the doctors figured that he was having internal bleeding. Hence, he was kept in the ICU. He's still in the ICU and is being monitored. The doctors are saying that an injury which could have been serious has now been taken care of, and he is medically stable. That's the version that's coming in from BCCI at this moment. Shreyas, of course, did take part in the first 2 ODIs against Australia. In the third ODI, after he sustained the injury, he was immediately wheeled into the hospital. He never came back on the field. He's been monitored right now in Sydney by the team doctor, and the team doctor will stay on with him in Sydney. He wasn't meant to have taken further part in the series when the series continues for the T20 games. But talking a little more about Shreyas, he has been suffering various injuries for a while now. In fact, he has taken a break from red ball cricket. He told BCCI that he's taking a break from red ball cricket due to his back issues. And now, while he is trying to form his position, he's trying to establish himself in the middle order of the ODI team, he encounters this rib cage injury. Of course, there are 6 more ODIs left this season: 3 against South Africa, 3 against New Zealand, first of which will be held on the 30th of November. It's still a month away, so we can't say for sure that Shreyas Iyer will be able to take part. It seems that it'll be a touch and go for the Indian middle order batter.